Hi guys, my name is Kanoe. We're gonna make Rice Krispie Christmas treat. We're gonna pour crispy treats into there. We're gonna put 1 cup and another cup in a separate bowl. We're gonna color these red and green. Add a few drops of coloring. Nuts. Keep adding and stirring until you get a nice color. We're going to use my mom's Instant Pot to melt the marshmallows and the butter. Push the saute button. Wait for it to warm up. Add 3 tablespoons of butter in the pot. It's slipping around a lot. We're going to add 10 ounces of marshmallows into the pot. We have to stir the Instant Pot. Now it's all melted. Now I can turn off the pot. Now it's time to add in the Rice Krispies cereal. Add in your colors. Well, I want to. Mix it all up.
Mom, can I mix mine?
Get some help to put in the pan because it will be hot. Press down firmly. Okay, so now we wait for it to cool before we cut it. It's best to use a plastic knife to cut. Excuse me, I have my mouth full. It's very good. It's very good. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Merry Christmas.